If I trim the height of my crepe myrtle by 2 feet or so from the top, will this encourage lateral growth? I like the size of the tree to fill out or extend further for a little more privacy. Thank you. And this is Cindy from New Jersey. All right. So, yeah, she wants to cut it to encourage more lateral growth. And we're talking about New Jersey. So, what do you think?
It sort of depends on what kind of crepe myrtle she has. You know, we don't know how tall it is to begin with. We don't know if it's one that's going to be 25 feet taller, one that wants to be 10. But typically when you're pruning, it does make things bush out more. Now, if it's like a tree form behind us here and you take 2 feet off the top, it's not going to make this branch down below. Now, if you cut it off at 6 feet, which we don't want to do, you're going to get lots of growth down low, even probably from the base, which you don't want on a tree form. So it kind of depends. You know, if she's wanting more, be thicker, if it's one that is more compact form, I wouldn't hesitate giving that a try. But also she might just consider adding some more plants in that area, or maybe, you know, even some more dwarf or compact forms in kind of in amongst those to fill in at the base. Or if it's giving lots of shade like this, then you would need to add shade plants underneath it. And so she could add another layer of plants in the area to give her that privacy that she needs.
And I mean, that's pretty high north to be growing crepe myrtle successfully. So they're still in the zone there. That's awesome.
Yeah, that is pretty good. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.